Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit pale red preset in Lightroom. Here are some example photos of before and after using this preset. So let's start editing. First go to the basic. Temperature +15. Tint -5. And exposure -0.48. Contrast +20. And -10 for highlights. Shadow +40. Whites +11. And blacks -40. Now go to the presence. +16 to dehaze. Vibrance -5. Saturation +40. And done. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. Saturation -20. And -15 to luminance. Then go to the orange. Hue -4. Saturation -8. And luminance +25. Next go to the yellow. Saturation -70. And +35 for luminance. Now go to the green. Hue and saturation -100. And +35 for luminance. Next bring saturation to -100 for aqua, blue, purple and magenta. And bring luminance to +30 only for blue and purple. And done. Next go to the color grading tool. First go to the shadow. Hue 250. Saturation 12. And luminance 10. Next go to the midtones. Hue 243. Saturation 25. And +10 for luminance. Then go to the highlights. Hue 220. Saturation 11. And luminance 10. Balance -100 and blending 100. Next go to the details and make sharpening 10. Next go to the noise reduction. Luminance noise reduction 20 and color noise reduction 25. Finally make smoothness to 61. Then go to the effects and bring vignette to -19. Feather 60. And done. And now your preset is ready. Now you can save it as a preset and apply to your any photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.